Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps Vintage Poinsettia 4x6 stamp set. I'm so excited for this stamp set because I love anything that has holly and berries. Then add this gorgeous vintage feel to the images. This is a beautiful stamp set. Now the largest holly image is about 2.5 inches wide by 3.25 inches long at the widest points. And the poinsettia is about 3 1/8 of an inch by 3.25 inches. You're going to get 7 sentiments with a total of 4 images in that stamp set. Now my sample I'm sharing, I colored the image with Zig Clean Color pens and then layered over vellum and 2 frames from the Shaker Maker rectangle die set. And for my second sample, again, I colored the image with Zig pens, layered on one of the Shaker Maker rectangle frames cut from silver glitter cardstock onto an A2 card base, stamped with the scratchy plaid background stamp. I finished this off with the elegant ornament die cut from black cardstock. Now let me know what you think about the vintage poinsettia stamp set in the comments below. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.